Hi guys, okay, so today my mother-in-law came to visit us here in Uppington and we decided that we're going to go to Augrabies. It's about 250 kilometers from here and we're gonna go have a look at the waterfalls. Now it's gonna be a sight to see because we had lots of rain in South Africa all over. Some of the most drought-stricken parts of South Africa got rain. Rivers are starting to flow that didn't flow in like 20 years, and the waterfalls is just spectacular, all the photos I'm seeing. So okay, we're driving through Uppington, and one must visit place where I always go to, Skolskot. So they've got the best meat in the whole of Uppington. Best chops, lamb, societies, or you'll call it a kebab, but we know it's a society, and it's just excellent. Bye-bye, dankjewel. Die hele wat, bye. Goed. Gaan het goed? Bye-bye, dankjewel. Bye-bye, dankie. Ja, ik zal het zelf ook worden. Right, so we just entered here at Augrabies Waterfalls. We're on our way to reception to just pay, and then we're going to go off to the waterfalls and have a drive around here and have some more adventure. Now, I'm not quite sure if you can see, but usually we can't see the water while driving here. And right over there we can actually see the water already running. So I think it's going to be more than spectacular. I'm having a bad headache. Okay, so we have arrived. Usually when we get here, it's about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Luckily today it's about 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, according to my watch it's 34 degrees Celsius. But man, oh man. Usually from this point you cannot even see the water. And I can see not one waterfall, but several. Let's see if we can film it. Hallo. Kan ek van by jou? Gaan dit goed? Nodig vir 'n reënponcho.
As jy wat ons gedek toe gaan ja. Vir wat? Dan sê jy nie wil nat raak nie.
Baie dankie. Say hello.
Hello.
How are you? Wave to them. Bye, bye. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. We're gonna go off here. And yeah. Just gonna have a blast.
Papa,
Yeah?
myself.
No, you can't film yourself. Okay. Say cheese.
Cheese.
To think that in the middle of the desert there's literally over 100,000 liters of water, 1 million liters of water per second passing this point in the middle of the desert. And literally just a kilometer from here there's farmers that's struggling to get water. That's unbelievable. So this is the first place you can stand on. And as you can see, there's a lot of mist popping up that side. You're gonna go over that side now. You can actually get a rain poncho for yourself, so that you don't get wet, but we do want to get wet. So Augrabies, an interesting fact, the name of Augrabies comes from the place of lots of noise or big noise. And as you can hear, there is a lot of noise here with all of this water coming down. If for some reason after seeing all of this you don't want to come visit South Africa, especially the Northern Cape, I don't know what's wrong with you. Not only does the Northern Cape have the best people, not only does the Northern Cape have the best food, but also the most beautiful scenery, from waterfalls like this to the dunes to wildlife. You're just missing out if you don't come here. Okay, so we're off to the misting zone now. Let's see what we can expect. Okay, so the mist is already starting to fall where we're walking. This is freaking nice. I'm here for like 5-10 seconds, and because of the updraft I'm already soaking wet. Just have a look at that. Isn't God amazing? Huh? To think in Genesis God says, let it be. And He created the heavens and earth. You might be struggling. To think God holds all this in His hand. Why wouldn't He hold you in His hand? Just give your life to Christ today. I'm quickly gonna run up and just warn my wife that he's gonna get wet. Over here, it's just mist. I thought everybody's coming from there. It's just wet because of the mist. Yeah. Okay guys. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so caught up to them. I'm my beautiful wife. Yes, you're gonna get wet. Like soaking wet.
Tanya, are you blij met ons?
So Ezra over here says he also wants to go to the rain. I guess it's to get wet. To the rain. Roep, call mommy, call mommy. Roep her mama. Roep her. Roep mama. Buddy! I can laugh at a big noise. Woo! I am literally soaking wet. You wanna go again? Will you get some? Well, after having that awesome cool down, and it's actually a light breeze blowing, it doesn't feel like 34, 35 degrees Celsius anymore. It actually feels a lot cooler. Alright, sorry guys, you won't be able to see nature today. We'll have to come back later. Maybe you can come join me. It's closed because of all the flooding, so they closed up the whole that side so you don't get stuck like we usually do when there's no floods. Thank you. Yeah, please go.